Hello Year 1. For our maths lesson today, our learning objective is to understand the term equal and be able to make equal groups. Before we begin, we're going to warm up our brains for maths. Mrs. Hegarty has told me all the wonderful counting you've been doing last week. You've been practicing counting in 2s, 5s and 10s. So this week we're going to start off and have a little practice counting in 2s. We're going to see, first of all, if we can count in the pattern of 2s from 0 to 20. Are you ready? See if you can count in 2s with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Well done, Year 1. When we counted in 2s, did you notice that we skip out a number when we jump in steps of 2? Because you managed to do super counting in 2s, shall we see if we can carry on and make it all the way to 50? Let's have a go. So let's start from 20. So 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Well done, Year 1, if you've managed to make it all the way to 50. Shall we carry on up until 100? I know you can do it. Let's have a go. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Well done, Year 1, if you managed to count in 2s all the way up to 100. Okay, Year 1, shall we have a look at the times on these clocks now? First of all, let's look at these clocks at the top. You may notice that in these 3 clocks, the big hand or the minute hand is pointing at the 12. Can you remember what that means? That's right, it means it's something o'clock. Okay, let's look where the hour hand or the short hand is pointing. In this clock, the short hand is pointing at the 1. So that means it's, can you have a guess? 1 o'clock. That's the time that we can see on this clock. Well done if you've guessed right. Let's have a look at this one now. What time is this clock showing? Have a look to see where the hour hand is pointing, the short hand. Have you worked it out? Yes, you've guessed 9 o'clock. Well done. if you thought that clock showed 9 o'clock. And what about this one on the end? Have another little look. See where the short hand is pointing. It's pointing at the 11. The hour hand is pointing at the 11. So that means that this clock is showing, can you have a little think? Yes, you're right. It's 11 o'clock. What about these clocks on the bottom now? You may notice that the minute hand or the long hand has moved halfway round the clock and is pointing at the number 6. That means it is 1/2 something. To work out the time, we need to look where the short hand or hour hand is pointing. You may notice that in this first clock, the short hand is pointing between the 1 and the 2. Because the hour hand has just gone past the number 1, then the time on this clock is, are you going to have a little guess? 1/2. Well done if you've got that right. Let's have a look at this second clock now. Have you noticed that the long hand or the minute hand is pointing at the 6? So it's 1/2 something. Look to see where the hour hand is pointing. It's just gone past the number 2. So that means it's 1/2. You going to have a guess? 2. Well done if you've got that right. What about this last clock now? Just as before, the long hand or the minute hand is pointing at the 6. So that tells us it's, yes, you're right, 1/2. 1/2 what, I wonder? Look at the short hand, the hour hand. It's just a little bit past the number 3. So that means this clock here is showing, have a guess? 3:30. Well done if you got that right. Today, Year 1, we are learning about equal in maths. What do you think equal means? Equal means the same as. Look at these plates. How many biscuits are there on each plate? Yes, that's right. There is 1 biscuit on each plate. They are equal. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 plates, and each plate has 1 biscuit. Okay, Year 1, what I'd like you to do is to look at the following pictures and tell me if the groups are equal. An extra challenge, can you explain why they are equal? Okay, picture 1. Look at the plates. Pause the video whilst you work out if the groups are equal. Okay, Year 1, let's work it out. Shall we count how many sweets we have on each plate? Over here to begin with, we have 1, 2 sweetie stars. Let's have a look at the other group. 1, 2 sweetie stars. We have 2 stars on this plate and 2 stars on this plate. That means they are the same. They are equal. Well done if you got that right. Okay, picture 2. Look at the plates. Pause the video whilst you work out if the groups are equal. Okay, let's check to see if we have equal groups. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pieces of pasta on that plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pieces of pasta on this plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pieces of pasta on this plate. We have equal plates. We have 3 plates with 6 pieces of pasta on each plate. You may have noticed that the pasta looks a little bit different on each plate. It's been arranged differently. That doesn't matter. What is important is how many pieces of pasta we have on each plate. And even though the plates look a little bit different, they each have 6 pieces of pasta. That means they are the same. They are equal. Okay, picture 3. Take a look at these groups and pause the video whilst you work out if you can see equal groups. Okay, let's check. How many eggs have we got on this plate? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 eggs on this plate. Let's have a look at the other plate. Let's get counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 eggs on this plate. That means we have equal groups. We have 2 plates with 5 eggs on each plate. Even though the plates look a little bit different because the eggs have been arranged differently on the plate, they are still equal. They are the same. Okay, picture 4. Pause the video while you work out if you can see equal groups. Okay, let's check to see if our groups are equal. I can see 1 on this plate. 1 on this plate. 1 on this plate. How many on this plate? Yes, you're right. There's 1 shiny sweetie on there too. And finally, how many shiny sweeties do we have on this plate? Yes, you're right, we have 1. That means that our plates are the same. They are equal. We have equal groups. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plates, and on each plate we have 1 shiny sweetie. Each plate is the same. They are equal. We have 5 plates with 1 shiny sweetie on each plate. Okay, Year 1, now it's your turn. Use things you have around you and make some equal groups like I did. You may use Lego bricks, pieces of pasta, raisins, wooden blocks, toy cars. It's up to you. You can use whatever you have at home. You can take pictures, make videos, or a pic collage of your equal groups. Remember to hand these in on Google Classroom. Have fun! To finish off Year 1, have a look at this picture. Are these groups equal? Try to explain your answer. Pause the video whilst you work it out. These groups are not equal because one group has 4 eggs and the other groups have 3 eggs. So the 4 eggs group is unequal to the other groups. Let's have a look to see if we can find the 4 egg group. Let's get counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 eggs here. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 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 eggs here. So you can see, Year 1, that we have one group that has more eggs than the other groups. This means this is an unequal group, this group here. All the other plates have 3 eggs each. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed today's maths lesson, Year 1.